Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share household empties with you. So of course I have foil sheets, the aluminum foil sheets, 30 count from DollarTree. I do have 2 of these. I use these to pan line leftovers, all that fun stuff. I use them on the grill as well. They're fantastic. I mean, they're totally worth $1.25 and I will continue to purchase these. Also from DollarTree, I have the Fresh storage sandwich bags, 58 count, which I still think is a really good deal for $1.25. These had the zipper on them. They have the double zipper, and I really liked these. I used them for mostly Connor's lunch and some sandwich meat like in the refrigerator. But overall, great product. Definitely going to repurchase again. Actually, I already did, except they were the Fresh fold tops because I didn't have the zipper bags, but still, Fresh brand, you know, I buy a lot of different things from them. Really nice. Another item from the DollarTree is the Scrub Buddies Nail Guard sponges in a 6-pack. 6 sponges for $1.25 is definitely not bad. You can get 5 sponges at Dollar General for $1, and they both look the same. These are from Dollar General, but this is a brand new one, and that's what they look like. I just don't have any more DollarTree ones to show, but this is exactly what these sponges look like, except they will be yellow only. The Dollar General ones come in different colors. And basically, your nails, your manicure is protected. Your cuticle is protected. So I love these sponges. I will continue to purchase nail guard sponges from either Dollar General or DollarTree. Great deals, work fantastic. They hold up really well and they last a while. Next up, I have more kitchen items. This is the Ultra Palmolive Ultra Strength dish soap, and this is the 70 fluid ounce refill bottle. I've already repurchased this. I've repurchased this so many times now. This is my favorite Palmolive for cutting grease and really getting the dishes clean fast. I did do some markings this time. So this refill bottle lasted about 5 months, right at 5 months. I started using this in December of last year. It refilled my soap dispenser 5.5 times, and the soap dispenser that I use holds 2 cups of product. The soap in that will last me roughly about a month, depending on how often or how little I do the dishes. This is $8, and I would say that determining how well it works and the fact that it was able to refill my container 5.5 times, it's a steal in my opinion, and it lasted right at 5 months. I'm actually still using on the soap right now in my container from this. And this is April the 13th. I don't know when this video will come out. This is when I'm filming it. And I still about half of that left. So yeah, win-win. I love this product. Highly recommend. These, the Clorox brand in general, are my favorite disinfecting wipes. I will get the ones from DollarTree, but today I have these to share. These are bleach free and a fresh scent. Honestly, the scent's so light that, you know, and they don't smell like Clorox. They're bleach free. They're disinfecting wipes, and I use these all over the house for any and every disinfecting need, and I use these a lot. There's 70 wipes in here. Really good deal. I love these wipes. I've already repurchased these as well. Highly recommend any of the Clorox disinfecting wipes, or the Lysol, or even the Dollar Tree ones. I mean, any kind of disinfecting wipes, really good for wiping down counters, bathroom use, doorknobs, different things. You know, game controllers and stuff when somebody in the house might be sick, or remotes. I mean, I can think of a ton of different things to wipe down if you need to. So, yeah. These 2 products are always a repeat purchase. The Swabito Complete, and this is in the Soothing Lavender scent. This does 12 loads. Now the Dollar Tree is carrying these in 10 size loads, or 10 load sizes. So a little bit smaller. I did repurchase this, but I did get it in the Wildflower scent, I believe it's called, and I got it in a large size because I was done buying these small ones. But anyways, I love this stuff. It does many things and it works great. It smells amazing. Love it. Same goes for the LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent plus fabric softener in the fresh scent. I love this stuff. It gets our clothes clean. It's the 42 fluid ounce, 21 loads. I say I get about 10 to 11 loads out of this, depending on 90% of the time I'm doing large loads. So I'll use 2 capfuls of this product. So 10 to 11 loads of laundry out of this. And it smells really nice. It's not a super strong scent. It does smell nice, but I use scent boosters to help boost the scent in our laundry. And overall, like I said, this cleans our clothes and I never had any issues with it. I, however, did not repurchase this when I did go back though. Not this time. I did just opt to get a large size laundry detergent. But in the future, I will repurchase this. Right now, I've been using the Clorox Island Escape, the scent boosters. These are in-wash scent booster crystals. This is a 12-ounce bag, and these are from Dollar General for only $1. I purchased a couple of these. These smell amazing. I love these, and I will continue to repurchase these. They smell so good. And the last item that I have to share is fabric sheets, and this is from the Great Value Ultimate Fresh Dryer Sheets in Blooming Lavender. I'm not crazy about lavender, but there's 160 sheets in here, and they did smell really good despite the fact that they are lavender. I'll repurchase all kinds of fabric sheets in the future, so it doesn't matter. Right now I'm using some from the DollarTree. Fabric sheet's a fabric sheet to me, but these did smell good. That is all the household empties I have to share today. Hope you enjoyed the video, found the mini reviews helpful, and maybe tried some of the products out for yourselves. Thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional DollarTree links. Thank you so much for watching.